Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you what parameters you need to adjust on your welding machine after you connected the orbital jump welding enhancer to achieve perfect weld. In a previous video I already mentioned the parameters which you can set on the welding enhancer, so I will not go those again. To be able to weld at all, we need to set the welding machine to TIG welding, high frequency arc ignition, and 4T mode. The 4T mode involves the start and stop welding impulses. If you were welding manually, the start welding impulse would be the time we hold down the button at the beginning of the welding process, and the stop impulse would be the time we hold down the button at the end of the welding process. Thus, the first parameter we need to set is the gas pre-flow time, which determines how long we deoxygenate or weld from the core side before welding. The start impulse should be set half a second longer than this to ensure arc ignition. The next parameter is starting current, which determines the current strength after arc ignition and the duration that takes for the current to reach the main current, known as the current ramp-up time. Naturally, we also need to set the main current. There are welding machines that can vary the welding current between two values rather than maintaining a constant current, which is especially recommended for pipe welding. Here, we can set the base current alongside the main current. That will be the other value between which the current strength will constantly vary. We can also set the frequency of the current variation and the ratio of the current variation. Once we have these settings in place, we only need to set the rundown parameters. The current rundown time is the time during which the welding current decreases to final current, which we also can set. The current rundown time and the stop welding impulse always match. The last parameter is the gas pre-flow time, which provides gas protection after welding. It's important to highlight that every welding machine is different, and it's recommended to read the user manual of each welding machine before welding.